So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the wind rumble effects or wind rumble audio directly from your audio clips in Premiere Pro. Now, in order to do it, just simply first of all enable the effects panel from right here, and under the effects panel, you simply need to search for parametric EQ. Right there, here you can see parametric equalizer. Just simply drag and drop it to the audio clip, and here click on this option of edit and select the preset to let's say or what you can do, just simply select edit right there and click on this option of HP, that is high pass. And once you do it, drag the frequency to 100 hertz, that means to 100 hertz, it's something like there. And once you do it, you'll notice, and cut the low rumble to around let's say here click on the slow, and once you go to do it, just simply cancel it. And now when you hear the noise, you'll notice that the wind rumble have been removed from my audios on Premiere Pro. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.